Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. I just got my new piston from Detroit Tune. The first one I got actually came right away, and it was a damaged one, so they sent me a new one. So I'm about to open it. I want to show you guys what's in the box. All right, let's see what kind of quality we got this time. All right, this one, no cracks on the skirt. No cracks on the head. This one actually is a little bit more free floating. The other one was a bit stiff. And it goes in like this. And just as a reminder, that is the old one. So new one, new used, old used and broken. The new bearing looks pretty good. Anyways. Cool. Alright, just cleaning off the engine a little bit more here before I put in new parts. I need to do some assembly lube. Okay, I got myself some oil here in a little Tupperware. To be able to turn this motor up a little bit. Okay, so I'm putting some assembly lube on the actual rod crank journal. Okay, and I'm also going to get some on bearing caps here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just lock that in there. I've got all my rings aligned so that they're not straight up and down. Okay, I'm going to put my piston in the right orientation here. All right, so I got the piston all in there. I've got it at least hand tight right now. I need to figure out the torque rating. And I've got my torque wrench here. We're gonna go down to 14. That's 14. 15. And then we're supposed to go 90 degrees after that. Okay, so basically I need to go from here to here. Okay, there's 90. Alright. So that's it. Got my piston torqued down. Now we'll test it. Looks pretty good. Here to make sure there's no binding or anything going on in here. That's good. Move this a little bit, just like that one. Here.